this tutorial, we're going to look at how we can store multiple values under one identifier or name. The trick is to use something called an array. An array is a data structure that allows us to store multiple values. This means we don't have to have a huge number of variables that we've got to keep track of. So if we do what we know already, let's say int numbers, a data type followed by the identifier, we've got a variable. It can store one value at any one time, and we can change that value during program execution. But if I wanted to store up to 10 numbers, I would have to use 10 different variables, num1, num2, num3, etc. To turn this variable numbers into an array, first of all, I put a set of square brackets after the data type. Then after the name, but before the semicolon, I type equals new int, the name of the data type again. And inside the final set of brackets, I put a number. This is always going to be an integer value, and it's going to tell us how many items maximum could we store in the array. In this case, I'm going to choose 10. So I've reserved a space in memory that's large enough to store up to 10 integer values. I can't store any other data types in this array, but every single one of those integer values is going to be referenced by the same identifier, numbers. In the next tutorial, we'll look at how we can add data to this array.